Use the search icon in the navigation bar to initiate a search or use a keyboard equivalent on a desktop device using Command F. As you start typing into the search box, artworks will be filtered, leaving you with just the ones that meet your search criteria. In the artworks component, the field search include the artist, the owner, the title, the ID of the artwork. For more details on this, click on the Advanced Search button and have a look here. It will tell you which fields are searched when you're searching from the main screen. A search will usually leave you with less artworks to view than before the search. So here we've conducted a search and we've got only 3 artworks available. If you're looking over here on the right hand side of the screen, you can see that there is a total of 7 records, and we've found 3, and we're on record number 1 of the 3. So we can move through these 3 artworks, but we can't see the other 4 artworks. Use this button here, the Show All button, and now you'll have gain access to all of the artworks before the search. Just looking at that again, clicking on the search button or using Command F, typing our search criteria, leaving us with less than we started with, and then revealing all the artworks by clicking on this button. More often than not, using this search feature will be enough for you to get the artwork results that you want. But the Advanced Search feature gives you access to more features. So normally every field is searched, but we could specify and reduce the search to just an artwork ID if we wanted, or just an owner, or just a category. Make a selection from this list and then just start typing your search criteria here. It may be that you're looking for artworks from only by a particular artist, so you can restrict your search to one of the artists available in the drop-down menu. So here we'll only be searching artworks that match the search criteria for artworks by Amanda Pine, whose category matches whatever we start typing in here. So if we start typing painting, you can see we've reduced that down to 3 artworks. Down here towards the bottom of the screen, you've got the results of your search. You can move directly to an artwork by clicking on it, or if clicking the OK button, you'll be returned back to the previous screen and be able to view, in this case, all 3 of the artworks. These columns can be sorted by clicking on the titles, and this column here on the far right hand side, you can change the data displayed in this field. So for example here, if we've been doing a search on a category, it could be useful to display the category there to see what results we're getting. Now we've found 3 records out of a total of 7. What happens if you wanted to see those 4 records that you've not been able to find? In other words, artworks which do not belong to the category of painting by the artist Amanda Pine. In that case, use the Show Omitted Records, and that will show you the 4 records in this case that were omitted. Clicking the button will toggle backwards and forwards between these artworks. These tabs across the top of the screen give you other options for searching artworks. The Filter Artworks allows you to specify an artist or owner and then add additional categories. So here we're looking for paintings by Amanda Pine. We can include locations, and you can see as we're doing so, the results below are altering. This is a useful way when you've got more than one search criteria to look for. Use the Clear All Filters button to reset the filter screen. The Quick Search tab gives you access to regular searches, such as looking for a collection, artworks that belong to a particular collection. Clicking on this button and then specifying the collection will find the artworks and sort them according to your sort order. Other buttons include the last artworks imported, artworks without images, and so on. The final search tab is a keyword search. Here you can select keywords and the artworks below will be filtered according to your selection.